everyone, so I have some super exciting news. I'm gonna be redoing my whole entire lounge. I'm so excited. This is actually what inspired me to start this channel in the first place. I thought, oh my word, it's gonna be so much fun, and everybody else needs to have fun with me while I have fun. For the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing some DIY projects that I'm going to be using in the living room. And today we are starting off with a Tyre Ottoman / footstool. There are so many different ways that you can do this. But for the one that we're doing today, you're going to need a tire. And then you're also going to need some laundry line. You're also going to need some rope. I think I'm going to need another one of this. I don't think this is going to be enough. And then I got this really cute material. I just wanted something really colorful and bright, but you can choose whatever you want. I decided to use velcro because I think it's going to be the easiest thing to use. Then you're going to need some duct tape, and that's literally it. So let's get into this video.
I started off this project by just giving this tire a nice good clean because it was quite dirty and gross. I just took an old cloth I had, I dipped it in some water and I used it to wipe this tire down. I'm sure you guys can see on the cloth all of that black coming off. It was kind of disgusting. After I was done with that, I took the clothing line and Poppy wanted to eat it. And then I just looped it around one end of the tire, or one side of the tire. And then I made a knot on that side. This stuff is pretty slippery, guys. I was not expecting that. So it's really hard to get your knot super tight. You really just got to get in there and hold it down and try to get it as tight as possible. So in the end, as you'll see, I actually ended up using a glue gun and just putting some glue in there and also gluing this washing line directly onto the tire because I was so scared that it was going to slip off. Once you're done with that, you can just move it to the middle of the tire so it doesn't show. And then you're going to make kind of a web-like structure in this middle portion of the tire. So you're going to take the washing line and you're going to wrap it round and round the tire in order to create a sort of web in the middle. Okay, so once I was done, I took my duct tape and I just made a layer of duct tape across this middle section. So this will reinforce the middle section and also create a nice surface. At the end of this, you're going to see we're going to stick some rope onto this middle section, and it's much easier to stick rope onto a surface of duct tape than it would be to stick rope onto a surface of just the clothing line. After that step, we hit a bit of a problem. The width of the material I bought was very, very big. So I just cut it in half lengthwise. And I honestly thought that I had measured right and that this was going to fit. And then this happened. It didn't fit. But it's okay. It wasn't a train smash. We moved on to plan B. So basically what I did is I decided to cut 3 different pieces of material and connect them together. So I measured them out and then I just measured an extra 4 centimeters on each side so I can create this sort of hem structure. My original plan was to sew this hem, but oh my word, guys, I don't know what kind of Superman material this was because the needle would not poke through it. So I just had to glue it down. Once I was done with that, I took my Velcro and I measured out 20 centimeters because this was the length of the side of the tire. I decided to use the soft part of the Velcro on the inside of the material and the spiky part of the velcro on the outside of the material. You'll see what I mean in a minute. And then I connected all 3 pieces together and I put them on the tire.
Starting to remind me of life with Corona. Sometimes we make all these plans and they don't work out, but it's okay. God is still good and there's always more than one way to get something done. So we're going to make little slits in this material and then we're going to stick it down as flatly and as neatly as possible.
Then I took out my rope and I just put it on in a spiral-like manner. I decided to start on the outside and then go in so that it wouldn't end up off-center in the middle.
What we do here is go back.
I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Stay tuned next week, Saturday, 11 a.m. Central African time. I will be posting another DIY. So I'll see you then. Bye.